Namaste everyone. Today we are going to discuss a crossword puzzle related to mathematical terms. So, here for downwards, our first question is an angle which is more than 180 but less than 360. So, the angle which is more than 180 and less than 360 is called reflex angle. Then the second one is it is an expression in which constant and variables are combined using only addition, subtraction and multiplication. So, you can see the second one, the answer for the question is polynomials. The third one is it is the study of collection, analysis, interpretation, presentation and organization of data. So, the answer for this question is statistics. 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 Then, the fourth one is the branch of geometry that deals with measurement of length, area and volume. The answer for the question will be mensuration. MENSURATION. Then we had downwards question number 6, that is a polygon in which all the sides and angles are equal. Means all sides and angles are equal. The polygon is called regular. Then downwards we have question number 8 now, that is it is a branch of mathematics that deals with deduction of the properties, measurement and the relationship of points, lines, angles and figures in the space, defining conditions by means of certain assumed properties. So, the answer for the question is geometry. Next, it is a branch of mathematics which provides us with a methodology of measuring uncertainty. So, if we are going to measure uncertainty, the branch of mathematics is called probability. Then, the next question is question number 10. It is the branch of mathematics in which letters and other general symbols are used to represent numbers and quantities in formulas and equations. The answer for the question is algebra. Then, question number 12 is it is the vertical value y in pair of coordinates. So, the vertical axis is called ordinate. The 13th one is it is a part of a conical solid left after cutting of a top portion with a plane parallel to base. So it is for 10th class and the part is called frustum. The first one is the branch of mathematics that deals with relations between the sides and angles of plane or spherical triangles and the calculation of base on them. The branch is called trigonometry. Then the next one is it is the total of a frequency and all frequencies so far in a frequency distribution. The total of a frequency and all frequencies is called cumulative frequency. It is called cumulative frequency. Then next is, it is a solid with flat face and each flat surface is a polygon. So that is called polyhedron. That is called polyhedron. Next is, it is a solid object with marking on each face from random numbers when playing games. So, you used to play snake ladder and Ludo. For that, we are using a solid cube, that is called die. Next is, it is a quarter of a circle made by two radii at right angles and connecting arc. The answer is quadrant. 1/4 part of a circle is called quadrant. Then we have 16 question. The name of the point 0, 0 which is given by the letter O is called origin. Then 17th is, it is the horizontal value x in a pair of coordinates. So the horizontal value is called abscissa. The horizontal value is called abscissa. The last one is, it is the study of numbers and the properties of operations between them. Arithmetic. That is called arithmetic.